Hello friends, I Dr. NJ Telkapalliwar welcome you in my YouTube channel BSVS Educational Learning Center. Today I am going to discuss about uses of this Google Doc in teaching learning process. So what is the different types of utilities and application of this Google Doc form and how we will going to use in teaching learning process. So let's go to discuss its utility and applications in teaching learning process. This Google Doc is nothing but a document writing and editing web application under Google Drive. So like Google Form, Google Classroom, then Google Site, Google Slides. So there are various different types of platform available in Google Drive. So this is one of the platform that is called as Google Docs, which is used for the editing the documents and sharing of the documents. So there is a simple, this Google Doc is a simple and easy way to create and edit the different types of documents. It is automatically saved also. Then it is useful for the voice typing in different languages. Suppose you are not familiar with the typing, you can just type it by speaking the different languages, like you can type in English, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, etc. So different type of language is supported by this Google Doc. Then translation with different language. Suppose you want to make any type of press note or notice or any report, then once it is made in English language, you can translate in into different Hindi language or Marathi or any local language. So this is facility is also available in this Google Docs platform. Then another is work with the team members simultaneously. It means that suppose you create any Google Doc, like any research paper, you can share it with simultaneously, and all the collaborators of that are co-authors of the research papers can simultaneously edit the documents, make the changes, and whatever changes or addition is takes place can be easily accessible in this Google Doc. And also when you share this Google Doc, it may be shared to the number of people, and they can simultaneously edit the documents also. Then next is use in all devices, means it is used in the laptop, and that is the desktop form also, and in the form of app also, mobile app. Then track changes. So track changes means whatever the changes takes place by the different friends or public in public platform can be easily seen, and who is going to who and what exactly changes takes place can be tracked by using this platform. Then there is a auto save and storage facility is available. Like in Word documents, we need to save the document, but here whatever changes is going on simultaneously is automatically saved in the storage. Then share with anyone. To the link is generated from which we can share this through a mail or through a link or through a web page, etc. So it is also possible, that is it generate the shareable link. Another application is chat with the team member, means simultaneously chatting is also possible. The update can be obtained instantly in the form of Google Docs. Then download file in various format. So this facility is also available. Suppose you want to download in Word file or in PDF file or in HTML file, so, you can publish also in web format, that is HTML format. Then another is the predefined template and add-on is available in, like the add-on which is present in the Google Form, Google Site or Google Sheet. So same different types of or versions of add-on is available in G Suite Marketplace. And predefined templates is also available. Suppose you want to make any report or you want to make any resume or any event notices or event or press note, etc. It can be easily edited or completed. So let's go in the this Google Docs platform and see how this application, that is the Google Doc application or platform, is useful in teaching learning process and also in the research work also. So let's go in the Google search engine. So this is the Google search engine. There are three ways to go in the Google Docs, like Google Slide, Google Sheet, etc. So just click on this box, that is the Google Drive. There is a drive. You click on the this My Drive and go in the plus button. Suppose I am going here. This is the plus button, and go in the more option, and this is the Google Docs. So this is the first method. Then another method is suppose go here, then just scroll down, and there is option Google Docs. So just click here, the Google Docs platform is open. And another way is just type the Google, that is google.com. So this is google.com, and just search it Google Docs, Google Doc. So this page is open. So this is the Google Docs, that is google.com docs about. So this is the platform which is present along with the Google Sheets, slide and forms, Google Forms. So just click on go to Google Docs. Here there is an option that is the go to Google Docs. So once you click on Google Docs, so when you click on Google Docs, so this type of platform is open. There is a blank sheet. Suppose you click here, so blank document is open. Then there are various type of different platform is available. That is the template is available. That is, suppose you click here. So this type of different platform is available. Resume, then letters, business letter, informal letter, then personal, then work, project proposal, different template is available. You can use like suppose you want to generate any newsletter, so this type of template is very useful. Mutual NDA, business process manual, consulting agreements. So these various type of templates is available in this Google Docs format. So you can just this lesson plan also, this is very important. Lesson plan, different types of template is available. Then class note also, suppose ninth grade biology, you can write your political science or economics etc by using this type of template. So we discuss later how it work template, but first go in this section, that is the blank sheet. So once you click on this blank documents, the next document is open. So this is this Google Docs is nothing but the like a Microsoft Word documents. So there are different types of option is available, which is also available in the Microsoft Word also. So just there is a different file, then editing, view, insert, format, tools, different types of add-on, that is very important. Suppose you click on add-on and get an add-on, so it is goes in new windows, that is called as a Google Suites. Then help, then bold, you can change the font also, normal text, then alignment, center, justify, you can add the that line spacing, then numbering list, bullet is available, so etc. You can just go for the clear formatting, then option. So these are different types of option which is available like MS Word. Now here there is another option, that is the in file, you can share the documents, you can download. So this is the download, means if you prepare any documents here, there are different version to download like Microsoft Word, that is it looks like say MS Word type file. Open document format, that is .odt. Rich text, the RTF, then PDF. So these two are very important, MS Word and PDF. Then plain text, and another is the web page also. You can just publish it as a web page. Then EPUB publication, so this web page is also important. Then there is another option, that is the publish to the web. Then there are different languages supported here: Marathi, Hindi, English, Telugu, Kannada, etc. So these are the language section. Then there is another the page setup also. Suppose you want to change the portrait or landscape type paper, page setup, then paper size, top, bottom, margin, etc. So like MS Word, you can make the different arrangement also. So this is all about the file. Now next we first discuss about the different types of typing. So you just type it whatever you want to type, like whatever you are doing in MS Word, so similar way you can just type it also. So there is nothing new here about the typing. The important application is select a file and goes in language and select the Hindi language, suppose Hindi. Then click on this button, that is here. So Hindi, you just type whatever you want to type. So it is converted, means you are typing in the English in keyboard and it is converted into Hindi language. So in this way you can type. Then there is a second way to use the keyboard, Devanagari phonetic. So just this type of keyboard is appear. So just write in Nagpur or any type of in English, just click here and the sentences appear in Hindi. So this is another way. Then third way is you just click here in Hindi. So this type of keyboard is appear here, that is the Hindi keyboard, and suppose you click here, so just it is changes into Hindi. Then next option is Devanagari. In this way you can uh, type those sentence in Hindi also. So there are different types of facility, that is typing facility is available here. So this is the one application, that is go in file, then select the language, and suppose you want to select Marathi, Hindi. So there are different types of keyboard is available here. So this is the one of the utility of this Google Docs. Then another is, suppose you the another is suppose you want to use the typing, that is the called as a translation. Suppose I am writing something that is the in Hindi, in English. Now this is in English. Suppose you want to change this in Hindi. Suppose this is useful for translation also. So just go in the tools, and there is an option called as a translate documents. So just click here, translate, and select the language. Suppose I am selecting the Hindi. So there is an option of Hindi and translate. So next page is open, in which the information and technology सूचना एवं संचार तकनीकी. So in this way you just type the in English, or you can copy from your documents which is present in MS Word. Copy here, automatically this is converted into local language, whatever language you are selecting here, whether it is you want to convert this English text into Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, or in Filipino language also. To different types of languages is supported by document this Google Docs. So this is the one way to translate, means just go in the tools, then translate the documents. So suppose I am translating into any different language. Filipino is present here. So this is the Filipino language. So in this way you can convert in different format by using these documents. Then next is voice typing. So you can make this sentence just bold, then you can change the font also here, you can italic also, you can take the color, any color. To this facility, just center alignment, and suppose you want to add bullets also, you just add the bullet number also, you can add the bullet also. So this facility is also available. Then next important is, suppose you want to type anything, that is called as a voice typing. So this facility is also available. Just go in the tool section, then voice typing. So when you click on tools and voice typing, so this type of window is open. So just click here and just speak whatever you want. Hello friends, information communication technology tools contribute to high quality lessons since they have potential to increase student motivation, connect students to many information sources, and let teachers to allocate more time for students. So just click here, it is stopped. So in this way, so whatever you are speaking, it is converted into language, that is the in English, because you are selected the language English. So in this way you can just type it, and suppose you want to convert this data into Marathi, or like suppose just go in translate document, convert, select the language once again, just I am selecting here Marathi and translate. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माहिती संप्रेषण तंत्रज्ञान साधने. So this is the Marathi font. So in this way, suppose you prepare any documents or any press report or any event report also. So there is a need to convert into three different languages like English, Hindi, and also one of the local language like Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, etc., Tamil, etc. So this is very useful because most of the teachers are used to type in English, but there is a difficult in typing, especially in Marathi and Hindi. So you just convert it and just edit it if suppose there is some changes is required, full stop, etc. So this is very important tool. So in this way you can just type in English and convert the translation. Then another is the, suppose again select the voice typing. Then here select the language, on which language you want to speak. Suppose you want to directly type in Hindi, just I am selecting here Hindi option. Yes, there is a Hindi option, just click here. Now just click here to on the this microphone and just speak in Hindi. नमस्कार दोस्तों, सूचना एवं संचार प्रौद्योगिकी एक व्यापक क्षेत्र है जिसमें सूचना एवं संचार के लिए हर तरह की प्रौद्योगिकी समाहित है. तो इन दिस वे, नमस्कार दोस्तों, सूचना एवं संचार प्रौद्योगिकी. तो इन दिस वे you can just change your language and speak, voice speak, and whatever you are speaking is translated here. So in this way, this Google Docs is very important tool to convert into any type of documents. So this is one of the application of Google Docs. Now then, means first is the typing by using the different keyboards or inputs. Then another is the translation from different languages. Then by voice typing, it may be in English, just select here language and go for the voice recording. You can select the particular language and then translate it. So their translation facility and voice recording is also available. So these are the 4 different utilities of Google Doc. Then next application is, there are different add-ons is available. Just get on here, click. Then similar like in Google Forms and Google Docs, Google Sheets. So this type of map type of equation, doc to form. Then this document can be converted into form also. Document design. Then this word cloud generator. This is very important. Then music notation, highlight tools. So these add-on is available. So as per this table of content is also important. Teacher rubrics. So these are the different types of add-on as per your whether you belong to English language teacher or Marathi language or Hindi language. So depending on your requirement, you can just go in the add-on and install the add-on. Then there is another important facility here. You can edit, paste, copy and paste also. Then view in print layout. Then there is a insert. Suppose you want to insert any image during the document. Suppose you are preparing any research paper or any documents, and suppose you want to insert the image, you can just upload from computer, you can search from the web, you can upload from drive also, by URL also it is possible. This is the and camera also. So just click on upload from computer, then go in any documents here. Just click on images. So you can just select any image. So this type image is uploaded here. So this is one way. Then another is you can add the table also. So similar way like in Google Docs. Then you can upload the chart in bar form, line, pie, diagram, etc. So this is the chart also. So this is facility is also available. Then next is the footnote. You can write special character equation which is required for mathematics, header and footer, page number, break. Then you can add any link. So suppose you want to add the video, suppose video link up and give the description. and just suppose you want to add any video, so just open the documents or video. Suppose I want to add any document on ICT education. This is the suppose link ICT in education. To select this web address and just copy it and paste it, paste link and apply. So in this way the link is generated, and when anyone click here, just go copy and paste, or here you just select it, it is open in new window. So this is the way you can just go further. I'm just copy here. So this is the video link is generated here, so you can provide the link also. Then you can just add another link. Suppose you want to add the video link, to just this. Now suppose we want to upload any video, to just go in the any video, get shareable link and just copy here. Sorry, just go in insert, then link and copy here and apply. So in this way this link is generated. So suppose anyone click here, the video is open automatically. So this is the another wonderful use you can insert. Hello friends, I Dr. NG Telkapalli. Welcome you. The useful tool to insert the links also. Now once you write or type anything in the documents, then you can apply it for collaboration also. Suppose you are working on any research paper and there are 4-5 co-authors there, and suppose you want to edit, make necessary changes in that research paper or article, then you can share this link to the different peoples. There is unlimited persons can be shared these documents. So for that, suppose you want to change or make the any sentences here, so you just go the share option. So this when you click on the share option, private to only share, so this type of window is open. So you can clicking here email ID. So this is the one important. And suppose you want to click here copy link or change to anyone with link, and this type of application for platform open, then viewer, the just view, commenter or editor. So anyone on the internet with this link can edit. So when you share to any person, suppose I am just sharing this link to anyone, just message it or give the description and send. So once you send it, so email is received. By using that mail, now here the email is received on different mail. Just go here, open in documents. So in this way the document is open, and when you make any changes, suppose here in documents, suppose I am writing here ABCD and something here editing etc, and once again I just see here the original documents, so you find that there is some changes is takes place here. So automatically you can send the reports to the, that research paper, and everyone whatever is going to edited can, it is possible to correct the research paper or any documents also, or any press notice also, any book titles also in the form of word documents, it can be changes. And throughout the world also, any people to whom you are going to share the documents, everyone can edit if you give the permission to edit. This is the very good tool to collaborate with the other people. And also suppose I am making the changes, so there is an option last edit was made second ago by BSVS Educational. So just click here and you can see the who is edited and deleted. So this sentence can be seen. This is going deleted, edited. This is the another option. So etc. You can find that in particular documents, because this is the original documents. Then there is some changes. This is deleted by me, so this can be seen, and whatever changes going on, suppose I am again changing here in last sentence, so you found that it is automatically saving here, and this is in another document, it is also saving. And, you can also share to this document to another persons, so multiple people can be send the link to the different peoples, and they can also found the whatever changes is going on. So this way you found that the different types of changes is takes place. Then again go in the documents, we find that the changes is occur here. Then there is another option here, just go in the format option, there is a alignment to same type of option is available. Insert we are already discussed. Then tools, also in tools there is a dictionary, then word count, voice typing, then script editor, etc. Now suppose you want to publish this, go in the file section, and there is option file section, go there is also share option here, publish to web. Suppose you want to publish to web, so this is the link, and just publish it, then press on OK. So this is the link, you can share it with email, Facebook or Twitter, or just copy this link, and publish it. So it is already publishes, and suppose anyone is watch this link, so this is appear in the form of web page. So this is another use. So like translated copy, updated automatically. So this is the web page like published by Google Drive, etc. So like any article, suppose you want to publish, you can just publish and give the this link of this web address. This is the web address or web page is generated to the student or anyone. So this we can generate the our lecture notes also, and it can be published in the web platform. So this is the another application of this Google Docs. Then next is then file option. Again there is a download option. You can download this as a Microsoft Word or a PDF format also. So we just click here in PDF format. So this document is downloaded in the form of PDF copy. So this is the PDF version downloaded here. Then there is another, you can rename the documents. Email collaborators, suppose you are the group of the researchers, just send it. You can make the changes. This is another facilities available. You can change the language, page setup, and you can take the print also. So there are different type of facility. Then this another facility is you can just directly send from this file option, then mail as a attachment. So this type of link facility means you can just go here, mail as a attachment, and send the this document to the different participants. So these are the various different types of application available, and most important application for the teaching learning process to type the or to prepare the notices or lecture notes or press note of any event. Then you can convert it into different types, translate it, voice typing, editing. You can share the document to the number of peoples. They can edit. When whatever they are editing, you can find it in your one documents. And another, it is useful to give the feedback also. Suppose you just insert the another, suppose I am taking the another page, just click on blank and just insert it in the table format. Number of table you can edit, and here suppose serial number, just give the name of student, and any suggestion or comment, and share this link to the name of just give the document's name here, suppose name of student, whatever you write feedback, and just then go in the share option and send or get the shareable link, copy link, and change to this link as editor, and copy this link This link is copied and sent to the students in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Their suggestion or comments, the student can automatically write the name and comment, and this is generated in the form of table in particular documents. So many marketing peoples, when they are working on the field, they just use the Google documents to give the feedback or comment whether the work is done or not. I am now presently. So everyone, suppose there are 500 people are working on the field, everyone update this data, and centrally we can find the one documents at which we can get the MS Word or PDF file of the all the comments, their time, date, at which location they are present, what they are doing. So the comment can be possible in one document, because suppose we're taking the feedback in Google form, the so much files is uploaded and it is very difficult to analyze. But here it is very easy to give the feedback, also comment their live position, live location, what they are doing. So this is very important. Suppose you share, everyone can be go through the one documents. So this is one important application of the this Google documents. Then there is another application. Just click on this new page. Now this is the template is available, project browser. If suppose you want to generate any browser in the form of Google Docs, and then take the printout. This is the write down the company name, that is college name, product, this is a webinar workshop. You can just use this template for the preparation of brochure. Then there is a different type of options is also available. Just click here. There is a subject, job offer, education related. This is very important. This is class notes or lesson plan, also name of lesson. So this is the subject, class notes. So this type of format is also available. So different templates is available, you can use this. So this is the different type of utilities, number of utilities is there. What exactly you want to go for the teaching learning process, and this is very useful, especially when you are using the voice typing, translation, etc. So it is very useful. And suppose you want to share this document to many peoples, then they can edit it, whether it is language or anything, you can do in the Google Docs. So I hope that you understand this use of this Google Docs for the teaching learning process. Thank you very much.